Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing. I don't know if you can see their Stitch Fix label, but I don't think I peeked. They send you a thing where you can go through like 10 items and pick out 5, and I don't remember if I did it or not. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like my video and its content enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like its content. And if you're returning, hugs and kisses, you know how much I appreciate it. And today it's like, I don't know, 80 degrees out. We left this morning, sorry, I haven't itched. We left this morning to run some errands and I had a sweater, I brought a jacket. By the time we got back, I'm like, I have to put a t-shirt on because it's just so warm out there. So let's get into the box. And I'm sure most of you know the Stitch Fix routine. You get the return bag. I think the last couple stitches, I haven't been crazy about what I've gotten, but we'll see. And then they give you the stylist note, and I've been getting Susie, and she really does a great job. I think, you know, my body, I've just been, because I've been staying home so much, I've just been gaining weight. I haven't been exercising, I haven't been going out, haven't been riding the bike, so I think it's just me. It's not Stitch Fix's fault. And I do have Susie again, and I won't read you the note, but she does a great job, and they put together the different styles, and of course the nasty price sheet. And then they have you know, different things that you can get and view online. And I was shocked. I got an email and they have a Stitch Fix sale. I think in all the years I've been getting Stitch Fix, which is number 87 for me, they've never put anything on sale. They had a sale with like up to 70% off. So you can check your app because they have a sale. Stitch Fix has a sale. I know, how exciting is that? So, doesn't look like I got any shoes or handbags, but I did get a bundle. So let's see what's in there. So how are you all doing? I keep asking the same questions over and over. Did you get snow? Did you get ice? I just love watching videos of people taking their kids sledding. That is like so awesome. I wouldn't want to drive in it, but it just looks fun. So the first thing looks like a button-down shirt by Fortune and Ivy in a size large. And it's called the Mixed Material Top, and it's in olive. And it's a wrinkly type of top, and I don't like those. I do have a steamer that doesn't really take me that long, but it's got the bow ties, and again, not crazy about those as well, but you never know until you try something on. So we'll see. So that is the first thing. And then the second thing is kind of pretty. It's by 41 Hawthorne, and it's a real pretty blue. It looks like you can wear it under a blazer or a cardigan. And then the back is just a plain blue, and it's got this cute little bow tie. And looks like it's a high-low type of thing. And I'm not sure. I like the, I don't know if you can see, it's got like a V-neck, so I do like that. So I will try that on. And the next thing's by Daniel Rain. And it's kind of cute, and it's more like a linen material, so that'll be nice. And it's got more tags on this top than top. It's a C label for full care, and it's a Adrian split neck cap sleeve linen top, and it's a large. So it's got the cute polka dots. It's got the V-neck, and it's got this back. It looks large, but when I put things on, they have a tendency not to look large. And then we got, it's like a purpley by Fortune and Ivy, and it's got buttons. I saw buttons. I like this color. Look at those pretty buttons. So I do like this. It looks a little sheer, so I'm thinking my bumps and bubbles might be showing, but it's got some ruching at the sleeve, so I kind of like that. But because it's kind of plain in the front, I think the bumps and bubbles are going to show, but we'll see. And the next thing is a pair of pants in a rust color, and they're by Cosmic Blue Love. I haven't seen these. They're kind of neat. As I said, it's a rust color, and they are a bell bottom. So I don't know if it's a bell bottom or a boot cut. And they're size 8 or 29. So they're cute. I'm not sure about the color. So I will be right back with the try-on of these. Okay, I'm back with the first outfit. Better lower you down here. It's a little windy outside. So this is the Fortune and Ivy Zuri mixed material blouse in olive, and I am wearing the Fortune and Ivy Emile button detail. No, I'm not wearing those either. These are the Cosmic Blue Love Cali boot cut pant, and they consider this red. So this is the top, and as it says, it's got the little bow ties here and the slit, but thank God the wind is blowing so you don't see the big belly here. And I'm not crazy about the material. I think it's got some rayon in here, so it's a little clingy. And then these are the boot cut, and I'm not liking the way they hug. I think if I sized up, they would definitely be too big. But I don't like the way that they kind of cling back here and around my belly. I do like the way the length of them, because I can definitely wear boots or shoes with them. So I don't know, let me know what you think. As I said, the top, it's a nice top, but it's not something that I would reach for. So I will be right back up with the rest of the tops. Okay, I'm back with the next top, and I really wanted to love this top, but I don't, or I don't think I do. It is the Daniel Rain Abrian split neck cap sleeve, and I guess this is white, and it's a size large, and it's got the cute little split neck that kind of snaps back so it doesn't always split, which I like. And it's got the cap sleeves, and I'll move back, and it's got the polka dots, and then I'll bring you down without dropping you. So it fits nice. I'm not feeling it. And then of course it's got the different pattern in the back. but I'm just not feeling it. It would be nice just to grab and throw on, but as I said, I think my body's changing. If I could just lose like another 20 pounds, it would be okay. But when I go over the prices, I think these tops were kind of pricey for what you get. So I will be right back with the next top. Okay, I'm back with this next top, Total Disaster. This is the dark purple Fortune and Ivy Amy button detail ruching top. It has the ruching. I don't know if you can see it there. It fits nice around the neck. It's everywhere else that, yeah, no. So I like the color. I'm gonna pull you down so you can see the Titanic of the disaster. It's too tight, but I think if I sized up, it would be too baggy. So it's got the buttons here on the side, but it's too short and it's too tight in here. And this is the back. And of course I know it doesn't go with the pants that they sent me, but yeah, I don't like the way it fits. It's got, I mean, I like the sleeves, but as I said, I can't blame the top. I can't blame Stitch Fix. I just think that my body's going through some large changes right now. So I have that one more blue top to try on, and I'm losing hope at this point, but I'll be right back. We might have a winner. I am wearing the 41 Hawthorne Clearwater mixed material top, and I like it. So it's got this thing here, I'll pull you down, and it's kind of like two pieces. Hopefully I'm not going to drop the camera. It's got this blue thing that goes underneath. So I like it. It's got the pull up at the top. And hopefully it's not too dark and you can see this. And I really kind of like this. I still have those pants on, by the way. And this is the back. And it comes long in the back. See if you can see that. Turn around. So it just has the plain blue on the back. But it actually fits nice. I don't have to worry about the belly or up here. And I can throw on a cardigan or a jacket. And I really do kind of like this. And I like this up here. And I said, this is like the two pieces here. So what do you think? I think this one actually might be a keeper. I could wear it with shorts. I can wear it with jeans. And I said I could just throw on a jacket. So I don't know. I'll be right back with the recap. I'm gonna go back inside because it's so windy out here. Okay, I'm back with the recap. I kept this top on because I love it. So we'll see how much it is. So the navy top, which I believe is the one I'm wearing, is $58. So I don't know if I love it, $58. I don't have any discounts or referral credit, so I don't know if it's $58 worth. The Fortune and Ivy, the one that was in olive that had the little bows on the sleeve, that was $42. The Daniel Ring, excuse me, let's see, the split neck cap sleeve in white, the two-tone with polka dots, that was $54. The bootcut pants were $88, and the button detail ruching one, that purple one that was definitely a no-go, was $42. So the total was $284. The buy all discount was 71 discount, so that would be $213 for it all. The only top that I really loved was this one, and $58. So I'm gonna have to look for it on the boards or see if I can find it on Poshmark or something, but yeah. With tax, it'll be over $60, and I just can't justify that. But let me know what you thought of this fix. And as always, thank you so much for taking the time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button, and I'll talk to you soon.